Hello, everyone. My name is Amelia. Today, I will tell you about my hobbies. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I have many hobbies. A hobby is something I like to do in my free time. Hobbies are important because they help me feel happy and relaxed. They also help me learn new things and meet new people. Let me tell you about my hobbies. One of my hobbies is reading books. I love reading in the evening when the house is quiet. I usually sit on the sofa with a blanket and a cup of tea. I read simple novels, short stories, or travel magazines. Reading helps me learn new words in English. It also gives me new ideas and dreams. Sometimes I read just for fun. Other times I read to learn something useful. When I read, I forget about stress and I feel calm. Another hobby I enjoy is drawing. I have a small sketchbook and a set of pencils. I like to draw flowers, houses, and people. Drawing is fun because I can be creative. When I draw, I focus on the lines and shapes. I do not think about problems or time. Sometimes my drawings are simple. Sometimes they are detailed. I don't worry if they are perfect. For me, drawing is a way to relax and express myself. I also love listening to music. Music is with me almost every day. I listen to music when I cook, when I walk, or when I clean my room. My favorite music is soft pop, but sometimes I listen to classical music. Music makes me feel peaceful and happy. It also gives me energy when I feel tired. Sometimes I sing along with the songs. My voice is not perfect, but singing makes me smile. Cooking is another hobby I enjoy. I like to cook on weekends when I have more time. I try simple recipes like pasta with vegetables or rice with chicken. Sometimes I make soup or salad. Cooking is not only about food. It is about creating something with love and care. When I cook, the smell of food fills the kitchen. It makes me feel proud and satisfied. And of course, eating the food is also nice. I also enjoy walking in the park. The park near my home is beautiful with many trees and flowers. I like to walk slowly, look at the sky, and listen to birds. Sometimes I walk alone. Sometimes I walk with my brother or a friend. Walking in the park helps me feel fresh and healthy. It also gives me time to think. When I walk, I can forget my phone and just enjoy the moment. Sometimes my hobbies connect together. For example, when I cook, I listen to music. When I walk in the park, I take a small notebook and make sketches. When I read, I also write new words in my journal. Hobbies can be simple, but they make life rich and full.
I believe everyone should have at least one hobby. It does not matter if it is big or small. A hobby can be reading, drawing, cooking, gardening, or even watching the stars at night. Hobbies give us joy and balance in life. They help us relax after work or school. They make us feel alive and connected to the world. These are my hobbies. I like reading, drawing, listening to music, cooking, walking in the park, and writing in my journal. What about you? What are your hobbies? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.